solutions only to be met with silence. You don't know what will happen tomorrow. You don't know how you'll make it through today. But I'm here to remind you of something that can change the entire way you see your situation. Indeed, my Lord is with me, and He will guide me through. This is not just a statement, it's a promise from the Creator of the heavens and the earth. When you carry this attitude in your heart, Allah promises you miracles. He will split seas for you. He will carve pathways in the most impossible situations. And when you least expect it, He will provide solutions from places you never imagined. Have you ever been in a situation that felt hopeless, trapped as if the walls were closing in with no way out? You're not alone in that feeling. Even Prophet Musa, peace be upon him, stood in such a moment, trapped between a massive body of water in front of him and an unstoppable army closing in behind him. Imagine the fear his people felt. Imagine their cries, "We're doomed, there's no way out." And perhaps you've felt the same, focusing so intensely on the problem that it seems to grow larger and larger, overshadowing everything else. But then came Musa's alayhi salam response. He stood firm and said with unshakable certainty, "No, by no means will we be overtaken. Indeed, my Lord is with me, and He will guide me through." Musa, alayhi salam, didn't have the power to split seas. He didn't know how Allah would deliver him, but he knew one thing: Allah was in control, and that was enough. And in that moment of pure trust, the impossible happened. The sea opened, and a path appeared. My dear brothers and sisters, the same Lord who split the sea for Musa, alayhi salam, is the one who watches over you now. The same power that turned an impossible situation into salvation is the power that surrounds you. But here's the key: where is your focus? If you fixate on the barriers in front of you, they will grow bigger and more insurmountable in your eyes. But if you shift your focus from the problem to the one who holds the solution, you will find peace and you will find a way. True reliance on Allah isn't about saying, "I trust Allah," while secretly clinging to your own plan. It's not about waiting for everything to make sense before you move. It's about stepping forward, even when you can't see what's ahead. It's about taking that first step with full certainty that Allah will guide you. Imagine walking into complete darkness, trusting that with every step you take, Allah will light the path ahead of you. That's what real trust looks like. Moving forward with your heart firmly believing that Allah will make a way, even when you can't see it yet. But when you trust in Allah fully, He will create a way out for you, as He promises in the Quran, and whoever is mindful of Allah, He will make a way out for them and provide for them from sources they could never imagine. So stand firm, shift your focus, fix your heart on Allah. Say to yourself, "Indeed, my Lord is with me, and He will guide me through." And trust that the sea before you will part, and the doors you've been waiting to open will finally open for you.